Hello, Dr. Darren Wayne here. I am a food scientist and your low-carb coach. Now, over the last 30 years, I've helped thousands of men, women, and children discover healthy low-carb foods. Unfortunately, nowadays, there's nothing but processed, cheap, low-carb meals everywhere. And they're all raised with pesticides or GMOs. They're all completely processed. Carbohydrates are stripped away, leaving, yes, a low-carb meal, but completely nutritionless. And this is what happens when you process food. It's supposed to be naturally low carb, not because you stripped away low carbs. And that's what my new Mealbetics is. It's the last real low carb food that you can eat in the country. And it has absolutely no pesticides, no herbicides, no chemical fertilizers, no GMOs, no sugar added, no salt added, nothing but actual real food and naturally low carb. And it's delicious, it's nutritious, and you can replace up to 2 meals every day, saving yourself hours of time every week and hundreds of dollars on your food bill every month. And it's extremely convenient. I put it in a can, 10 meals in one can. All you do is mix it in water, and you can replace your breakfast and or lunch or both every single day. It's up to you. And let me just tell you, everyone is losing weight. Now, when I say lose weight, I'm not talking about losing muscle and then you stand on the scale in 2 days. Ooh, I lost 20 pounds. No, losing actually unhealthy fat. That's right. Not healthy fat, not muscle, unhealthy fat only. Therefore, no risk of rebound. That's what eating truly healthy, low-carb meals can do. And if you've never experienced this before, it's because you've never eaten this before. And I know this is so healthy and so nutritious, and I know you're going to love it, that I'm going to send you one free Mealbetics. That's right, I'm going to send you 10 free low-carb meals that you can try right now. Just sign up on the order form to your right, and I'll send it out to you within a couple days, and you'll finally be able to experience what real low-carb meals taste like and feel like. And I know you're going to love it and want to keep eating it. Everyone in my family keeps eating it. The thousands all over the country are eating Mealbetics right now too, because it's the only food in the country that can actually improve your health, help you lose weight, keep the weight off, and of course, heal your body. That's what it's supposed to do. So if you have kidney disease, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, whether you're type 1, type 2, pre-diabetic, gestational, everyone needs, of course, to prevent, well, disease, right? And that's what eating truly healthy low-carb meals can do. That's what eating healthy can do. I know you're going to love it, and I know you're going to feel better the longer you eat it. So, if you have any questions, you can text me or email me anytime. Otherwise, I look forward to sending out to you your free Mealbetics.